I'm Anjana Rajgopal, and the children who come to us are mostly parentless. Doctors of Apollo came to visit the children on the Found Day celebration, and all of them were so nice that they offered to, do whatever they can for the children. And at that time, we had one girl who was having problem with her ears. Both her ears are damaged, so they agreed to get her operated free of cost.
Hello, I am Dr. Nurulain Malik, a senior consultant in the Department of ENT Head and Neck Surgery, Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. Dishika, who is a 21 years old female, she came to me with a history of recurrent ear discharge and reduced hearing in her ear, and she's been suffering from this problem for a long time. When she came to me, so I examined her. After taking the history, I examined her and I found that there's a hole in the eardrum. So we subjected her to few audiological testing and some blood parameters were also checked. And after that, we planned a surgery for her ear, which we call as tympanoplasty. The surgery went uneventful. Even the post-operative period was also uneventful, and it's been a while now. She's happy that there's no discharge. Her drum has healed very well, and her hearing is also restored nicely. Thank you very much.
So, hello, namaste. I am Tina Ravindran. I am secretary to the organization named Cycropa. During the same time, they again stepped forward and helped us with the operation of one of our boy, Raja. Raja did not have the palate, so they helped him with that. And today, Raja is able to do so many things. Well, he is now undergoing some kind of speech therapy and is doing immensely good. Raja was operated by Dr. Pankaj Mehta.
Hi, I am Dr. Pankaj Mehta. I am a senior consultant in plastic surgery and cosmetic surgery department in Apollo Hospital, Delhi and Noida. So this child Raja came to us with a congenital cleft palate deformity. Means he was born with a hole inside the mouth and the palate, which was communicating with the nose. Because of that, he was not able to speak properly and he was not able to eat properly. So I operated on him few months back. He was with us for 4 days. One day he was in ICU, then he shifted to the ward, then he got discharged. So it's been few months now. He's doing well. His speech has become improved. He's able to eat now better. So he's very happy. So I am.
Apollo Hospitals is also helping us by purchasing the jute bags made here and gifting it to new moms as a token of love. My heartfelt thanks to Apollo Hospitals for giving our children Raja and Dishika a new lease of life. It means a lot to all of us, and this association will help us bring change to many more children. This is only the beginning, and I'm sure our association will help change the lives of many more children. Namaskar.
Namaste. Thank you, Apollo.